towards me now, so I think it's a cat. But he pulled pretty good. Yeah, he's a red. Big red, bro. Big red. Big red. Dude, I need the net. Well, guys, we got a super windy morning this morning, but we've caught a couple of good fish so far. We're gonna see where the day takes us. Let's get right at the action right now. It's like super deep right here. Yeah, this is what I wanted to fish, was the front side. Dude, that's a trout. Dude, that's a trout, bro. Dude, holy trout, bro. Dude, look at this. Dude, look at the size of that trout, bro. Oh my God. PB trout, bro. PB trout right there, bro. Definitely a PB trout right there. This thing is a freaking beast. This thing is a beast. Check that thing out, guys.
Dude.
That's a big trout right there. That is a big trout right there for out here.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's get her back in the water. That's a Texas trout right there, boy. Hauling ass. Redfish. Nah, another trout. Oh, my bad.
This ain't no trout.
I'm over you. There you go. It's a trout. Dude, there's something big over there.
Oh, dude. My lure's fucked up. No. Dude.
It's reds.
My shit, but my lure's fucked up.
It's reds. Come on. Got one.
Oh, I got one.
Doubled up! Doubled up! Doubled up on big reds, dude.
No, mine's a snook, I think. Go right with you. Yeah, mine's a snook.
Doubled up, dude.
Alright, this is a decent snook right here, too.
Mine's a snook too.
Mine's barely hooked. Mine's barely hooked.
Oh, dude, I got a good one too, dude.
Nice. This is what we seen pushing water.
Yep. Come here. Nice, dude. Couple of nice ones here, guys. Couple of nice snook right here. Double hookup. Awesome. That was awesome.
And they wanted them.
Yeah, they did. Snook.
Good fish.
Yeah. He ain't that big. Oh yeah, he's...
You want to grab the net?
Yeah, I got you. Hang on. Be easy with him.
Oh, dude, he's a good fish.
Be easy with him. Back off of him a little bit. Back off your drag a little bit. Back off your drag a little bit. Oh yeah, that's a good one, dude. Bro, loosen up your drag a little bit.
It's fine. It's all good in the hood. He's already getting weak.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you got him hooked on the right side.
Yeah, I know. I see that.
Yeah.
Just let him do his thing.
That's all good.
It's a slot fish for sure. Dude, let him do what he wants to do. Go with him.
Duck down.
Go with him. Go with him. Put him right into the net. Nope, he ain't ready yet. He ain't ready yet.
He's about to be right here. You ready? Yeah, he's wagging.
That's nice.
Oh, that's a fish right there, boy. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah. Yep, little red. On the steady retrieve, little tiny pup. Little tiny pup. Easy cut, easy cut, easy cut. Yep, on the steady retrieve, right across all this salt and pepper bottom. I love the little ones. They got beautiful tails. They always have the nicest tails. Yeah. No, he ain't been alive long enough to be getting messed up by anything. No dolphins or nothing like that. Actually, it might be a catfish. I don't know. He's swimming towards me now, so I think it's a cat. But he pulled pretty good. Yeah, he's a red. Big red, bro. Big red. Big red. Dude, I need the net. Big red, bro. Huge red. I'm backing off the drag. I got 50-pound leader on here.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude. I'm ready. Whenever you get him close, I'll fucking yoink his ass.
Just
dude.
easy on him because I got the leader, or I got the
Oh yeah, yeah.
he's not ready yet,
Yeah,
bro.
but it's in this side, so you're gonna have to work him out front and bring him to me.
Sure,
Yeah, like
sure.
that. Yeah. He's running out here right now. Once you get that head up, he'll come in.
No, he ain't ready yet. I'll let you know when I'm gonna bring him to you. Am I rolling?
I can't tell. 115, yeah. Good redfish, boy.
He's gonna run under the boat.
I'm trying to go that way. Good ass fish.
Big red, dude.
Yeah,
He's
that's
30
awesome
plus.
fish. That's an awesome
He's
fish.
30 plus,
He's
dude.
about done.
Come on the other side.
Oh, here it is, right here.
I'll let you know. I'll let you know. He's coming in. He's coming in. He's coming in for you. Sweet. Yay.
Dude.
That's
Look
what
at
I'm
that
talking
thing.
about.
Look at that thing, dude.
That's what I'm talking about. Sick red. Awesome freaking fish. Check out that tail. Beautiful tail. There she goes. Yay! I'm gonna spin you around. I'm gonna spin you around.
A big snug, dude.
Yeah, nice one.
Dude, another acrobat here.
Yeah. We're gonna put some heat on him, you heard me? I'm gonna spin you around. We're gonna. Oh no, he's right there. He's right there.
Right here. You can actually grab the net.
I already got it.
Oh, he was actually so ready.
Nah, he ain't ready. Oh, nice slot fish again. Nice one. Yes, sir. Let's go. Dude, he hit it out of nowhere,
Dude,
bro. Where did he come from?
Did you see him shoot
Yeah.
out, dude?
I was like, where did he come from, bro? Might be a red. No, it's a red.
I've seen the silver tongue, I swear to God.
No, dude, it's a red.
Oh, damn.
Told you.
You want me to know?
No, I got him.
So you're the redfish man today, and I'm the snook man today, apparently.
Nice little red right there, guys. Check them out. Well, guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.